Welcome everybody to my new indoor studio. Got my brand new camera. It's a DSLR and I'm learning how to use it. It's got a 50mm lens on it, which I don't think is what I really need for this, but it's what I have. So here we go. We're going to do an unboxing video. I got this from Jerry's Artarama a couple months ago, and I don't really remember what's in it for indoor projects, so you'll be as surprised as I am. Open it up. I don't know why they make their boxes like this, but it's really annoying, and it makes it so it's hard to reuse them. All apart to get into it. Again, for suspense. I really recommend Jerry's Artarama. They have a lot of sales. They have a lot of really high quality stuff too that is at a regular price, but then they have more economy use if you're not, you don't need something museum quality. Sales all the time. Alright, here we go. We're in. First layer. First up we have got lino cut blocks. Got 2 of them. Lino cut blocks, there's a bit of linoleum on this particle board, and you can use them as stamps. You carve into what you're going to use for your symbol. Got 2 of those. And we've got golden light molding paste. I'm going to use that to try and... Sorry, my cats are in here. This is why I don't want to be indoors. Try and repair a hole in the Race from Perdition painting that I made and had signed. And here is a roller so that I can roll on the lino cut block. Roll some paint so I can use it as a stamp on my paintings. That's my real goal with this. Oh, and here is a wood panel, gesso board wood panel. It's 10 by 10. And I have an idea for making a kind of a sculpture. Put it on that so that I can paint it and it won't warp or anything, I hope. We will see. And then I have a block of canvas sheets that I can use to repair the hole with this in that painting. I hope. We'll see. I've never done it before. These are just, it's like a notebook, but it's canvas. So you can paint on this if you wanted, if you're doing watercolors or something in the plein air. And there's that. Let's clear that out. So there we have it. A little insight into what's coming up in their channel here. Do some indoor artwork instead of paint pouring, which is really messy and I can't do in my house. Thanks for watching my first video for my new indoor studio, and we'll see you next time.